The Basque people have one of Europe's oldest cultures, a culture that fills us with pride. And the Basque country, located at the center of the Atlantic axis, offers a magnificent opportunity for studying, leisure and work in a friendly and safe environment. We have a dynamic economy, a powerful natural landscape and excellent education levels. In the Basque country, there is a combination of a preserved ancient language, a long industrial tradition and a top-class public university system. Today, the economic development of our country is based on technology, innovation and knowledge. In this new context, the contribution of our university, the University of the Basque Country, is fundamental. Our symbol was designed by one of the most renowned Basque artists worldwide, Eduardo Chillida. Inspired by the Tree of Science, it contains a verse by the bard Iparraguirre, Eman Zabal Zazu, create knowledge and spread it, which assumes an open idea of culture. Highly specialized degrees and postgraduate courses in all fields of knowledge are offered at our university. We are among the 500 best universities in the world and are leaders in research and teaching in our region. But our work does not end here. Along with teaching and research, the University of the Basque Country promotes the arts and social responsibility. It encourages entrepreneurship and has an influence on the most current political and social debates. Over 300,000 professionals from all fields of knowledge have already graduated from our university. People who hold positions of responsibility in companies, administrations, universities and social organizations. This is in addition to a singular teaching project, the IKD model, a model that promotes autonomy in learning but which demands, at the same time, greater requirements of the students.
Markel naz, eta arte ederretan lizentziatu naz Euskal Herriko Unibertsitatean.
Basque, Spanish and English, progressively included, are our three working languages.
Je m'appelle Clémentine, j'ai 24 ans et je suis française, je viens de Bretagne plus exactement.
Hallo, mein Name ist Timo Bierer, ich bin 25 Jahre alt, studiere Wirtschaftsingenieurwesen, komme aus Freiburg in Deutschland.
Ciao, mi chiamo Camilla, sono una studentessa italo-australiana che vive qua a Bilbao.
We have promoted, along with the University of Bordeaux, Europe's first cross-border campus. We also liaise with other academic institutions around the world and lead a network of master's and PhD degrees with universities in 14 Latin American countries. Fulfilling the slogan that inspires us, at the University of the Basque Country, we welcome and disseminate talent. We are a university that is faithful to our ancient culture, but open to all the world's trends.